What is asthma?
Asthma is a chronic lung disease that inflames and narrows the airways. It is caused by the extra amount of mucus buildup in the airways.
How is it diagnosed?
Your family doctor will check for asthma based on your medical and family history. They will also do a physical examination and other tests if needed, for example lung function tests, allergies, bronchoprovocation test, a test that measures how sensitive your airways are, x-rays, etc. Medical and family history. They will ask you for medical conditions related to breathing. These include runny nose, sinus infection or sleep apnea. They also might ask you when your conditions get worse, for example exercise, sleeping, talking, walking, etc. Physical test. The doctor will listen to your breathing using a stethoscope to hear your pattern and to look for asthma symptoms. They will also use a spirometer, which measures how fast you breathe in and out.
What are the symptoms of asthma?
Symptoms include cough, shortness of breath, wheezing, abnormal breathing patterns, longer inhales than exhales, chest pains, tightness of chest, and much more.
How can it be treated or prevented?
The main goal of the treatment is to stop the airways from swelling. This could be done by staying away from trigger points like animal fur, pollen, mold, and dust bites. Quick relief inhalers can prevent chances of an asthma attack. Most intermittent, mild, moderate cases can be treated by our family doctor. However, some severe, life-threatening cases have to be treated by an asthma specialist. Asthma specialists include allergist, internist, otolaryngologist, pediatrician, pulmonologist, and pulmonary rehabilitation therapist.